Hello, YouTube people. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Joe Catrabalia, talking about his shipping container home build, and tiny home build, and whatever else is going on. Although today, just the shipping container home progress. So, actually, some updates. Ooh, since the last time. But, and me still fumbling with the controls. I always forget to say this in the beginning, but YouTube says I'm supposed to. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me how wonderful this is. Any and all that would be super. So anyway, we made a lot of progress since last time. We've got the, I don't even know if I put pictures of that, but we have the electrical panel on the back. We've got them coming to inspect that so we can do the temporary hookup for that. We've got the sewer going in on Monday, but mostly we've done a whole bunch of this structural stuff. I'm just going to show you a short video that was horribly shot. I don't know what I was doing, but really I was just trying to get a good feel for how spacious this is going to be. You see dog on the construction site, lots of fun. I don't actually know dog's name, so if you know dog's name, feel free to put it in the comments. But you can see, I don't know, I'm not really sure what I was doing here, just sort of waving the camera around like a crazy person. What I was trying to do is just actually see, show this distance, which I realize it's somewhat tough. But this room, that little space where I walked right there is going to be the first bedroom. I think I'm about to, I walked over at one point into where the bathroom is, but this is the next bedroom. And you can see these great big holes that we cut out. We actually got windows that fit those holes for an incredible price. We got, I think we paid something like $100. They're brand new. They were surplus. So, nothing wrong with them. We just got them at the Habitat for Humanity home store. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but it's a great place if you don't need a specific size of something and you're willing to, kind of shop around and hit them up pretty regularly. Sometimes you'll just get some amazing deals, and this is one of them. So it is these large, I think these are, I don't remember exactly. I want to say they're 6x6, but I don't think that's right. I think they're smaller than that, but they fit in those great big holes that are cut out. Yeah, they've got to be a little smaller, maybe 5x5. You like my subliminal messaging on the side, trying to fill that in, so don't forget. But yeah, so we got those holes cut out. You can see, I think these are going to be great. Actually, when I realized just how cheaply we can get these and put them in, we might go back and get some more if we can find a couple more that are at least similar. Another little thing, we got this back cutout. This is the back deck, and so I know we talked about this before, but now that the containers are in place, I thought this would be interesting to just get a shot of this. This got pretty dented up in the move, so we're going to have to straighten that out. But then we're going to put a bar top across here, and so this is going to be a great place to sit. Obviously, we're going to have to clean up some of this mess that we've made by cutting down. You can see, and I think you can even tell from here, most of the trees that we cut down were dead trees. There were a couple that we just couldn't avoid cutting because of the locations of our containers. But in any case, you're going to have this nice view of just trees in the back. That's actually, someday that could turn into a paved alley, but it hasn't happened in the last 50 years since this subdivision was created. So, I think it's somewhat low risk. And then just give you, this is actually standing right here. You can just actually see here. And right now it is pretty muddy. I mean, we've been driving in and out of here with construction vehicles. I think we'll plant maybe a couple little bushes or something. Get some grass going back there. And I think pretty soon this is going to look, very similar to how it did when we first came out here on my original shots of the lot. I told you we were making a lot of progress. I guess I didn't give you nearly enough pictures of them. But I thought it would be neat to see just how open that space is. And so that the place where I walked through for that video that's 2 of the 4 containers, right? And so that's mirrored on the other side. And instead of being cut up into 3 bedrooms, it's just going to be the living area, kitchen, and actually part of those will be a deck as well. I know I've gone over that a few times, but just wanted to show you those interiors today. Thanks for watching. This is a quick one, right? But yeah, again, if you don't mind writing a comment telling me what you'd like to see more about, if you'd like to hear, I guess I didn't really tell you enough about mistakes that I made in this one. You know, one big one, it would have been great to just wait until we move the containers on site to do a lot of this work, because I really just don't feel like we saved enough time for it to have been worth what we did. Anyway, until next time, I'll keep making mistakes so you don't have to.